Happy Sunday. We had a good Saturday. And let's hope today's good. Hopefully. There's a lot of hope going on, as you can tell. Because I just don't want to sleep all day. I just want to rest, but at the same time, I know if I do that, I'll essentially be wasting an entire day, which is the stupidest, most inefficient thing, and most unproductive thing ever. I'm just so tired right now, and have been going on this huge stretch of just go, go, go. And I haven't had that little bit of downtime that you need to sort of pick up yourself and refresh yourself to get the last little mile. So right now I'm just running on fumes. So exciting stuff going on. Whoa, what's that? An open door? Essentially, I need to take this down over winter break. Yeah, and so I need to clear out my room so we can pop it down and then put stuff back in. Except stuff like my desk won't go back in till after. And then when I get back, I'll just pop it right back up. It's gonna feel really weird to sleep on the ground. Not 6 feet in the air. Huh? No, it's just a matter of there's a ton of shit in the hallway right now. No. Sorry. The loft is taken down officially. Thank you to my wonderful roommates for helping with this very surprisingly challenging process. I didn't realize it would take 4 young adults to lower a bed down, but it definitely does. Definitely does. At 1.5. I'm not selling myself very well here for upper body strength, but it's there. Just not good. I'm going to go up top and study. I figured I need a bit of a shift in where I am, a bit of a different focus. I'm gonna lock myself away, I'm gonna write this essay, I'm gonna build this presentation, and it's gonna be great. Happy Sunday so far. Oh my god. My arm is so tired. It affects the vlogging so much. Yes, I am outside right now because of my room situation, it's no longer very comfortable to film in it, because it's just awkward and I have to stand on my bed, and that's not nice. Long story short, I'm home now. I'm gonna grab some dinner, and then I'm going to go right back in to writing the essay and doing the presentation. I've gotten all of my research done and all that stuff, so now it's just a matter of compiling it, putting it all together in a nice, beautiful format. Here goes for a long night. Hi, it is currently 1:02 a.m. I'm still writing my essay. I haven't even started the presentation yet. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna sleep tonight, which really kind of sucks. But at the same time, it's a necessary evil, so I'm gonna keep working. Maybe something exciting will happen to share with you anyways, but likely not.
1 eternity later.
Alright vlog, here's an update. It is now 3:30 a.m. I am done the essay. Yeah. Now it means that I have to build a presentation, which I have to do tomorrow. Hopefully, this shouldn't take too long. It should just be a matter of inserting information, slides, to go along with my essay. That's sort of why I wanted to do the essay first, so I could get all that in. It'll just be a matter of being a bit more creative and figuring out how to say it all in a coherent and cohesive. And I'm also going to end the vlog so I can start editing right away afterwards. So thank you very much for joining me today. And I'll see you, well, later today. So thank you for joining me yesterday, which is today. But you'll see this today. So, actually today. And then I'll start tomorrow's vlog soon. Good night.